Have you ever wished you could just watch your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed? Open monitoring meditation is a powerful technique to help you observe your mind with calm acceptance, bringing awareness and release from life's constant pressures. Today, we're not here to judge or control our thoughts, but to simply observe them, like watching leaves float down a gentle stream. Start by settling into a comfortable seated position, allowing your body to feel grounded and supported. Close your eyes gently, taking a slow, deep breath in. And then let it all go, feeling your body naturally sink and relax. Now, imagine yourself as the sky, vast, open, and still. Your thoughts, feelings, and sensations are like clouds passing by. Watch them float through without grasping or pushing them away. Some clouds may linger, others may drift by quickly. But remember, they are not you, they are simply passing by. Notice any thoughts that arise. Perhaps it's a to-do list, a worry, or an emotion. Whatever it is, allow it to be there, and then gently bring your attention back to your breath, watching it flow naturally. There's no need to judge or analyze. Simply observe, become the witness. As you continue, notice if there are any patterns in your thoughts. Perhaps the mind likes to jump from one thing to another, or maybe it settles on certain worries. That's okay. Stay with it. As the background sounds deepen, let the soft waves of sound therapy ease you further into this state of open awareness. Like you're stepping into a quiet, endless forest. Each breath grounds you deeper into calm, letting go of attachment to thoughts. You are merely observing like a quiet traveler, walking through a beautiful, open landscape. There is no right or wrong, just gentle, open awareness. When you're ready, take one last deep breath. Feeling your body and mind in harmony. Gently open your eyes when you're ready, returning to the present moment. If you found peace in this space, share this meditation with someone who might need it. And remember that this calm is always within reach. Thank you for joining me.